Ok, xin chào tất cả các bạn đã quay trở lại với kênh MN99 Creative.
Xin chào các bạn đã quay trở lại với channel của mình. Thì hôm nay mình sẽ độ em MN99 này lên nha. Mình đã tháo hết rồi. Đây, mình đã rỡ lên hộp số 2 cấp và SC30A 320A có quạt. Đây, mình đã cho điện lên đây hết rồi. Đây RX-i6 nha các bạn. Các bạn thông cảm nhà kế bên mình đang sửa nhà cho nên hơi ồn. Đây là dây servo hộp số, mình sẽ cắm vô kênh 5. Đây là SC, mình sẽ cắm vô kênh 3. Đây servo lái mình sẽ cắm vô kênh 1. Thì đây là body chiếc MN, mình đã sơn lại màu đen nhám, khá là hổ. Mình có gắn đèn trong này rồi các bạn. Nắp cabo mình sẽ chế nó nữa nha các bạn. Đây nắp cabo mình đã khoét lỗ nó để lấy gió nha các bạn. Đây mình đã gắn xong rồi nha các bạn. Lên body rất là hầm hố luôn á. Các bạn thông cảm nhà kế bên mình đang sửa nhà nó hơi ồn nha. Rồi, bây giờ mình sẽ lắp vô.
All I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror. So foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly, I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight. Gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an X-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, here, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in a better day. Kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young one, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy. How to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray.
Mình không hiểu tại sao cái đèn này nó lại thiếu vậy các bạn.
Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.
Motor này chạy rất là nhanh luôn nha các bạn. Vô số nhỏ còn vô số mò. Motor tốc độ cao rồi.
feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out.
But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want.
I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts.
But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear